Assalamu alaikum guys, it's 6:30 in the morning and today I'm making chicken patties for my husband for lunch. My daughter's up with me. I did not have cheese slices, so I used the shredded cheese. Also sauteed some onions and mushrooms for him. The go-to box, it's easier for me to just pack it in there and you can just throw it away. Making burgers. Put some sauces.
Bacon. It's the burger.
Some mustard and some Baja creamy sauce.
Big.
Just gonna put away all the things that I used and put her back to sleep. And my daughter got up, so I'm just gonna pick out her school clothes. This is what she's wearing. She's dropping off or going to school.
Awadi. Wee. It's for fun. It's for fun. Yeah. Mama,
Yes,
I like the vegetable.
I know. We're like literally like 5 minutes away from school. Okay, the little one is crying because she wants to go to school as well, but she's not even 2 yet. So now the next stop is to Giant. I have to grab some groceries. So Giant. Need to grab some berries. 4 for 10 here at Giant. So I'm just gonna grab some. 2 of these. This looks delicious. 2 raspberries and 2 strawberries. Hill for pineapples and some cuties, oranges. Where's Valton? Valton set up. Some
Mama.
mushrooms and some cilantro. Yes, baby.
Bella.
I like organic bananas. Just have everything that's more full. We have everything fresh, stocked up. So I'm gonna grab some pears as well. They're so sweet here, so I'm getting this one. Grab some seedless lemons. Not looking so good. These are better priced, so these are 3 for $2. Buy 2 get 2 free. Grab some onions.
Mama.
Yes, baby. Onion. Have marked down produce. One as well. There's one for $2.99. Cereals on for $2.50. Grab some eggs because I have flex points, so I'm just gonna grab some 1 dozen of eggs for free. Half and half. Some butter chicken. Free milk if you have flex points. I took grab some snacks for my kids and I have some good sale going on. I thought I liked this for school. Excuse me. This one has gelatin in it, so there's a note this bag too because this one has gelatin as well. Didn't know before. Really good stuff on sale. Giant check it out before the sale ends. Cereal, two for $5. Different ones. So I have broth on hand, so I'm gonna grab the vegetable broth. Check the dates. This one's May 13, 2023. These are really good. These are individually wrapped. So really good. The price is good as well. Taco shells are also 2 for $4. It's a good price. I already have some at home. Now they even have this one. This one's on sale, but this one's really good. Back in town, I got the extra creamy. This one's too. Red tailcut for $1.39.
More opening.
Okay.
Opening.
Doing nice collection bears and stuff too. Teddy bears. Really pretty flowers. What I got so far, and I think I'm done for today. You would not believe I left my wallet at the house in my different bag. And now I'm going back to town to pay for my groceries. This is so embarrassing. Finally paid. Okay, I'll tell you. It's a crazy morning so far. Hope the day gets better. Got from Giant. All this cost me $45. Sorry, so expensive now, but yep. Most of the things were on sale, like 4 for $10 for the berries, and this was on sale. Whipped was on sale. The Oreo was on sale. So the broth. So let me know if you have any questions about this. Strawberries for my baby. I'm gonna be making some breakfast. Get anything fancy today? I'm gonna have everything bagel, with some cream cheese. I'm gonna share with my daughter. Have a cup of coffee. I'll show you when it's put together. Bagel. Really nice. These coffee mugs. Just got this teacup too. Cute. Gonna wash them and use them. These are not microwave safe, so really cute. I'm gonna use this one today though. You done? I'm done. I like mine a little bit extra frothy. So this is half milk and half water. I'm gonna add just about 1 tablespoon of brew. I'm just gonna add some creamer. Add creamer to your taste. And my daughter's having juice with her half a bagel. Enjoying my cup of coffee with the half a bagel and work. And I do have a full-time job as well. All right, guys. See you guys at lunchtime. Making keema. I put onion, beef keema, garlic and ginger paste, tomatoes. I'm gonna put some seasoning in there. I'm making some elbows. That's what my daughter requested for lunch, so I'm gonna make a quick one. So this is my cooked chili powder, paprika powder, cumin powder, coriander powder, and salt according to your taste. And just mix it in and put a lid on there. After 10 to 12 minutes, the keema should look like that. And I'm just gonna add some marinara sauce in there. One more thing, I did not add oil to this ground beef because my butcher gave me a little bit on fatty side beef, so I don't need to add any oil in this one. Just about 2 tablespoons of butter in my noodles. I'm gonna add some pepper because she does not like it. So this is done in 15-20 minutes, guys. Good morning, guys. It's the next day. It's 6:27 and I'm making my husband a leftover keema quesadilla. I just put some cheese and the leftover keema from yesterday, and this is what he's gonna have. It's really, really good, guys. You must try it. Some good tip for leftover stuff. Look from the other side. Just gonna drizzle some oil. And bake crispy on the top. I'm just gonna put some sauces, both boxes. Always grab some extra fire or whatever you like from Taco Bell. So I'm gonna pack him and give him some of this one. This is really, really good. I'm gonna cut it with a pizza cutter so you can easily eat it at work. This is how it looks like. Also pack him some yogurt so you can know that this is it. Okay, I'm gonna end the vlog here. I'll talk to you on the next one. Have a great day.